Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then we have to scroll and find the privacy. And here scroll down again to localize more security settings. So as you can see, the encryptions are really hidden here. Here let's tap on encryption and credentials, and almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.